everyone, Vincenzo here with a new tutorial for a ukulele duet. This week, to get into the Halloween spirit, let's learn how to play one of the spookiest theme songs ever. I'm talking about the X-Files one. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be teaching you how to play the main melody, which is quite easy, and also how to play the riff that goes with it, which is a little bit more challenging. Anyway, enough with the talking and let's get started with the melody. So you start from fret number 4 on the 3rd string. Then 7, 5, 7 slide to 10 and 7. Add a bit of vibrato on the last note. All together 1, 2, 3. For the right hand, I'm using the middle finger for the first string, the index for the second one, and the thumb for the 3rd and the 4th string. I'm gonna be doing this throughout the entire tutorial. One more thing, this melody is not that demanding for the right hand, and so if you want, you could just be using your thumb and it will still work. Then you carry on and you have more or less the same melody, but the slide is different. Let me show you. So 4, 7, 5, 7 slide to 12 this time, and then back to 7. Don't forget the vibrato. All together 1, 2, 3. The reason why I'm counting 1, 2, 3 is because the melody starts on beat number 4. This is a very important aspect of this melody. You carry on and you are on measure number 8 if you're following from the tab. Here you have a half step bending from fret number 9. Like this. Then 9, 7, 10, 7, 7 with a bit of vibrato. If you find the bending hard, play fret number 10 instead and it will still work, like this. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. And now without the bending. 1, 2, 3. By the way, this phrase is repeated twice in the arrangement. After that, you repeat the first 2 licks you've learned before. I'm talking about these ones. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then you end the arrangement with 12 and 7. And don't forget to add a bit of vibrato to the last note. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you know the entire melody. Let's play it slowly, say at 90 BPM. A very important thing in this piece is knowing when to start. So listen carefully to me playing this slowly. I will count you in to help you as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Once you feel confident with the melody, practice with the play-along version with the riff in the background. The play-along is gonna be at 115 BPM, which is the tempo I recommend for this. The count will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and you start playing. And by the way, the music will start straight away. Having said that, get ready, you're about to start playing. Now you're ready to work on the second part of this arrangement, the riff that goes underneath the melody. So it goes like this: 3, 4. Again. Now, in the piece, these last 4 notes that I've played, these ones, they change often. In fact, sometimes they are E, sometimes F sharp, and other times B. Now, you could even just play E all the time, and it can still work. However, if you want to play it as it is, follow the tabs or work it out by ear using the play along you had before. Having said that, let's break this riff down. So you start with 4 on the 3rd string, then 3 and then 2, like an E minor. And the rhythm goes like this: 1, 2, 3. Again, because they are triplets. One more time. Then you have 3, 3, 2 with the same rhythm. And this is repeated 3 times, like this. All together, 3, 4. Again, 3, 4. Practice this slowly, starting from 80 or even 70 BPM and build up to the tempo of 115 BPM. After this, you have fret number 4 played 4 times. So notice how I'm not doing this, but I'm doing this. So I'm lifting up my fingers after every note. Anyway, you put these 2 parts together and this is what you get: 3, 4. Again, 3, 4. Like I said before, sometimes instead of fret number 4 4 times, you have fret number 2 on the 2nd string, like this: 3, 4. Other times fret number 2 on the 1st string, 3, 4. You don't have to worry about this. In fact, you can even just play the riff always with fret number 4 4 times, and it will still work. Once you're comfortable with the riff, practice it using the backing track with the melody in the background. On my Patreon page, you can find the tabs and the backing tracks that you need for practicing this. You have 2 different backing tracks, one for the melody and one for the riff. Each one of them is at 3 different tempos. This ukulele arrangement works very well for a duet, so learn both parts and put it together, or even better, play it with another ukulele friend. You could even collaborate with me. If you would like to do that, simply get in touch. It's really easy and I do most of the work. Don't forget that if you learned something from this video and you would like to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee. Link in the description. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments if you managed to learn this arrangement. And by the way, if you want to take your playing to the next level, download my free 8-step roadmap, link in the description, that will tell you the exact process I followed to learn the ukulele. Moreover, check out the other links in the description to learn more about the types of classes that I've got available at the moment. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my new tutorials. Having said that, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next week. Ciao!